Goddamn you.
Goddamn you.
Okay, long time no see, man. ECAPs today show YouTube how to make blueberry pie. Okay, ECAPs cheating a little bit, have ready-made pie crusting. Same as before, make pinching. I don't know why still, maybe still not burning, I don't know. Anyway, recap, listen to recipe and make oven 400 and put pie filling. Okay, don't use this spoon, use no spoon. Okay, put pie filling. ECAP make blueberry meringue pie. For this one is better you get, if you are want to making to put bigger pie ready made crusting. This one short you can buy for filling higher. For meringue, put, you will see anyway. Long time no see, man. Okay, put this one. Blueberry filling. Put inside your pie crust. 400. Make baking for 30 or 40 minutes. Okay. ECAPs put inside and baking. ECAP not. Put spoon. Okay, also for meringue you will need 5 egg white. ECAP show how to make separation from yolk and white. Pinch of salt and 1/4 teaspoon cream of tartar and 1 cup sugar, granulated or icing sugar for meringue topping. Okay, ECAP's baking 35 minutes. Set stopwatch. Okay, while you are waiting, you can putting egg for beating. ECAPs like to beating egg. Okay, ECAP show you how to separation white from yolk. Okay, make sure you have 2 equal size pieces egg and let yolk, keep yolk in and let white drop. Okay, ECAP like to eat yolk. That's 1. Let's see, ECAP can do 5. Okay, yolk breaking and little bit yolk falling. It's not going to kill anyone. You will see, watch yolk, keep yolk 1 piece. Can make, if you are keep yolk 1 piece, you can make sunny side up, or if you're breaking, no, if you are break, make sunny side up. If you are not break, make poach. I don't know which one. Anyway, the caps have a little bit, I think, dropping shell. Okay, cap reach inside, take out shell piece and wash hands. Okay, you cap have beating. I don't know, have more shell anyway. Keep yolk for breakfast. Goddamn, somebody texting. Every time cook make texting, goddamn you. Okay. Anyway, is next for make put sugar and make sure have small, not clumpy like this one. Okay, take out clumpy and having for tiny piece sugar like powder, like you are Tony Montana. It's a good movie. Say hello to my little friend. Okay. In my case, it's big friend. Okay. Once you are do this one, you can beating your egg and add the ingredient for make meringue. Okay, your cups finished baking. It's still hot. I want to show you blueberry pie. Okay, let's start to beating our egg. Okay, you kept one to looking for shell. Okay, you are starting and can turn up for get little bit bubble. Then you are put salting and putting cream of tartar and start to putting icing little bit. Okay, it's enough beating. Hold on. Okay, it's time for put meringue on top. Pie filling. Make sure you are putting for cover. Okay, you kept putting meringue and put in oven, broil for a couple minutes until brown. You kept not racist. Okay, you kept finish baking and let cool. Put in refrigerator and eat supper and cook. Not cook, goddamn clean oven. Get a little bit meringue on bottom oven. Anyway, you can't make fail, not make good meringue. I think meringue supposed to beating for more higher. Anyways, he kept not beating enough. Usually he kept beating all the time up to finish. I have no problem with beating and finishing. This time he kept before say get taller pie crust. This way meringue can be thick, but there is no thick today. Anyway, it's okay. He kept not little boy. He kept no make mistake in life and not cry. Okay, he kept cutting for eat now. not worry for meringue is not working. Okay, anyway, there you go. Cut one piece. You can see. Let's zoom in on you. Okay. Give you taste testing. Not forget to subscribing and liking or disliking or sharing or make recommendation and listen to BB say ring the bell. Okay. It tastes like blueberry with sugar on top. Thank you for watching. If you ever want something to make ECAP recommendation, put in comments. You know the drill. ECAP like to eating. Make bad pie first time in life. Okay, anyway. Thank you again. Sayonara.
Not forget, ring the bell.